In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently use the Microsoft Copilot tool to draft a professional email. This will help you streamline your work and make creating detailed emails a breeze. Let's jump right in and get started. First, we'll open your internet browser and navigate to https://copilot.microsoft.com. It's important to ensure you're using a compatible browser and are connected to a reliable internet network for smooth access. Once on the website, you will need to sign in using your Microsoft 365 account credentials. Doing so will bring you to the home screen, where you'll notice a prominent section at the center titled Message Copilot. This is where all the magic happens. To begin using the tool, click on the Message Copilot box. This action will open up a space where you can input prompts for Copilot to process. For this example, we'll type in a specific prompt designed to draft a professional email. The prompt reads, "Draft a professional email to my manager named Sarah, asking for a status update on the Q3 marketing plan. Write 6 sentences, include 3 bullet points that cover 1. Current progress, 2. Blockers, and 3. Proposed next steps. Suggest 2 meeting options, Monday at 10 o'clock a.m. or Tuesday at 2 o'clock p.m. End the email with, Best, Michael." After typing out this prompt, simply press Enter. Once you've hit Enter, allow a moment for Copilot to work its magic. You'll soon see the generated email text appear on the screen. Take the time to carefully review the contents of this email. Copilot is smart enough to create a well-structured email, but there might be instances where you feel some tweaks are necessary. This is where the tool's flexibility really shines. If you wish to adjust the tone or length, you can input commands like make it shorter or add a friendlier tone directly into Copilot. Experiment with these adjustments until you feel the email perfectly suits your needs. After you're satisfied with the email Copilot has generated, the next step is to highlight the entire email text. A simple copy and paste operation will then transfer this text into Outlook, where you can proceed to send the email. It's as easy as that. By following these steps, you have not only saved time but also ensured your communication remains professional and polished. Utilizing Microsoft's Copilot in this manner can become a great asset in your toolkit for efficiently managing your professional correspondence. With practice, you'll become more adept at crafting prompts that yield exactly the email content you desire. Keep experimenting to discover even more nuanced ways to employ Copilot in your daily tasks.